Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Amy from With Love by Amy. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today is day 9 of the Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar series, and today we are going to do our unboxing, and then we're going to make a project with our goodies. All right, so we got a hunt around, find day 9. Strange, no picture. What could it be? Oh, sequins, cool. Those are really pretty. I like those a lot. All right, so in keeping with the theme of using the products that have come in our Crafty Advent Calendar and really nothing else, we are going to, we're actually going to adorn a background that I did previously. And so we're going to dig through my background stash that I've done and see what pops up, what comes to mind for me. These are all backgrounds that I've done mostly with random stuff like those I did with bubble wrap and alcohol inks. I love those. Those are so pretty. I think that those might be the winners. Yeah, definitely those are giving the vibes I'm looking for. Yeah, I think that's it. And this dot one's pretty cool too, but I made it with a stamp from another company, so that's why it might not make the cut. All right, so that'll do, and we will pick what our winners will be. All right, so I decided that the alcohol ink backgrounds, we're going to do both of them. They are the winners, and we're going to trim them down. This one is on regular, like Nina Solar cardstock, and the other one is on watercolor paper. When I was making these backgrounds, I was just like playing around basically, so I did what I could, and they turned out pretty cool, but I never decided to use them. They've been in my stash for quite a while now. So what I think we're going to do after we trim them down is we are going to just make them a little more, I don't know, festive, dimensional. Yeah, dimensional is a good word, because they're really pretty and unique, but I got to just fancy them up a little bit, and I think these sequins are just the thing. So we're going to trim these backgrounds down, and then when we're done with them, we're going to put some sequins on them. All right, so now that we have the backgrounds trimmed down to 4 by 5 1/4, we are going to pick out some sequins, and oh, that's pretty cool. They're different sizes. So there's some bigger ones and some smaller ones. And these cards honestly didn't take that long. You know, in common sense, I already had the backgrounds done. So to complete them isn't going to take too much time. But we're just picking out some sequins, and then we're going to put them onto the backgrounds. I'm going to use my picker-upper tool, my jewel picker, and the smaller end of my jewel picker is not working too hot. So what I decided to do was I decided that I was going to put the sequins on the colored dots on the cardstock that were similar to the color of the sequins. I don't know if that was the bad decision or the good decision. Tell me in the comments below, would you have picked a different color to put the sequins on top of, or would you have put them on the same color just to enhance them? All right, so we're struggling here. All right, so we're going to try to do this kind of quickly, but for some reason, it was much more time consuming than I thought, especially since my jewel picker didn't want to cooperate, so I have to pick them up with my fingers, and we're working on kind of like a sticky mat type of thing. So yeah, it's not going too fast, but we're done with that one. We're going to work on this one. We're going to put some glue on the similar dots and kind of just continue the row there, because the dots are not too well defined on this background. So we're just going to enhance them with the sequins. And there we go. Oh, not quite. One more. There we go. Now we got the sequins on that we're using. And it looks really pretty. I think it's shimmery. And if I had other colors, I'd probably do other colors. And here's the finished cards. I don't have any sentiments on them yet. That will probably be coming in the future. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to check out some of these other videos and see what we're doing tomorrow for day 10 of the Advent Calendar series. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate when you like and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out. Thank you so much, and have a great day. Bye.